Welcome back, everybody. I'm gonna take you outside into the garage. We are back. It is riding season 2023. We are super excited. We've been out of the game for a little while, but now we're back. So we had a huge downtime delay in a lot of the months behind us, and the reason for that was because in November we actually blew a tire, and just work got so busy, and we got just wrapped in family stuff and then the holidays. But it all started here. This tire blew on the trail. I knew that we had a flat, I just didn't know how bad, and it actually ended up being pretty bad. I took this to a shop and asked them to put a tube in it just so that I could move this razor around. But we ended up driving this tire back to our campsite, and it was about 3-4 miles, so I ended up bending the wheel. This is actually the first time I've ever had a flat on the trail, so I didn't know any better. Obviously, looking back at it, I definitely wouldn't have driven this back on the wheel, but we have a solution to all of this because we got new wheels and tires. So I called a friend and he hooked us up with some beautiful MSA wheels and some gorgeous Moto Rally EFX tires. These things are just absolutely gorgeous. They're bead locks. They have the MSA logos and branded into the bead lock ring. So very nice tire. The tread is really good. So these are going to be a combination of some rock crawling tread in addition to trail. It should be able to handle mud pretty good too, but overall I'm really happy with them. These are 33s. Wrapped around some 15-inch wheels. So these are going to be going all around. We have the other 3 back here. If you've never ordered a set of wheels and tires off the internet, this is the first time I've done it, and I was really nervous with how they were going to come because they actually built these at the MSA factory or whatever where they really do these, but this is how they come, so it's pretty cool. Worked out really good. Like I said, I need to open those and make sure the wheels and tires are good, but I trust my bud. He's definitely got everything going on. So the razor is torn apart, so a lot of things going on here as well. We pulled off the wheels and tires here and the shocks specifically because I destroyed my winch cable, which I have taken out. Well, I didn't take it out. My friends took it out from next door. So the winch cable on this was starting to fray, and it was really messed up and bad. So this is what we decided to do. The only way to really work on this thing is to pull it out, because the Turbo S's have a little plate here that you can mount a winch on, but it is extremely tight. So getting in there is just really difficult. We actually made a video on it. Took me like a whole weekend to put this winch in. But we have a new synthetic cable on order. We have the new flare, I can't remember what that's called, but the thing that you mount on the front of the bumper thing. And then a new, geez, I just can't remember anything today. It's like a new hook. It's not a hook though. It's more of like, I don't know. I'll put it on the bottom of the video, I guess, or something. But this would be good. We're putting this back in this weekend. And then we'll slap on the wheels and tires too. I was going through this area to see if there's any bad rust or anything. This unit is 1 year old, actually, in February, because we bought this last February of 22. So I did end up spray painting a couple small things just to kind of get the rust under control a little bit, and then we'll put the wheels back on. We have a new cage on order. I don't know if you can see all of my super duper fancy measurement strings here that I did to figure out what type of cage we need, but we did order a new cage. It is currently in design, and the Moto, I went with a a guy whose business is called Mojo Moto. He makes some beautiful cages. Ours is going to be custom built. So we're going to have air holes and everything for our dome lights. It's going to be a low brow. We're going with a 6-inch drop. We're going to delete a lot of this stuff here, and we're removing all the harness tabs as well. So it's going to look very clean, very nice. I can't wait. We're deleting these pillars back here because these pillars in the back, these ones on the outside of the rear of the bucket, they screw into like some plastic in here. So these really are just mounting brackets, so that way you can put accessories on them. So, but the new cage, we are not going to have these. So we're just going to have to figure out what works and what doesn't work. Kenneth offered for me to bring this and he could install the cage himself, so I'm still contemplating whether we're going to do that or not. But wait till you see it. It's going to look gorgeous. And the roofs that they do are totally different. They're a little bit of a nice design that I have never seen before. So stay tuned, everybody. We have a lot going on this season. I cannot wait to show you all the upgrades we're going to do for the Turbo S. And we have tons of trips already scheduled. So come along with us, hang out, and I guess we'll see you next time.